at the local junkyard. Movies say you can punch straight through a tough car window. Total bullshit. I tried it. Your hand will break long before this tempered glass does. Let's test the raw physics. I hooked a heavy industrial dynamometer to a metal frame. 3,000 newtons of raw striking force. Boom! Smashed right into the thick black pad. That massive kinetic energy can shatter a human jaw completely. But a solid car window? Nothing. The glass just bounces you back like a toy. Why? It's about surface area. Your fist is too wide. The massive kinetic energy spreads out across the whole glass. The structure absorbs the hit. The force dissipates instantly. You just look completely stupid. Rook told me to try the old street trick, sticking jagged keys between the knuckles. The tactical idea? Reduce the contact area. Concentrate all the pressure into one sharp point. I wrap my hand tight with dirty bandages. Grip the jagged brass keys incredibly hard. Step back. Planted my feet firmly in the oily dirt. Swung with absolutely everything inside. Crack! The physical impact was completely brutal, but the stubborn glass still didn't break today. The keys pushed back hard. The violent recoil went straight into my fragile wrist joints. Severe pain. Pure mechanical failure. The human grip isn't rigid enough for this extreme impact. The keys shift upon impact. You lose the kinetic transfer instantly into your own flesh. Your body absorbs the shock, not the target. Bad physics always leads to bad injury. If you fight the material's rules, your body pays the ultimate price, every single time. Modern tempered glass is engineered with intense internal compression. It's a literal fortress of tension. Brute force completely fails here. You need a structural exploit, a micro flaw to break it. Enter the tactical spring punch, a tiny, seemingly insignificant piece of matte black tactical steel. No heavy swing needed, no muscle required, just pure, concentrated mechanical tension doing the work. I press the hardened steel tip right against the bottom corner of the car window. The internal spring compresses tightly, storing massive potential energy in a very tiny, confined space. Then it suddenly releases. A violent, microscopic spike of kinetic force hits the glass surface. The actual physical contact area is just a tiny fraction of a single square millimeter, practically infinite pressure. The glass's internal tension network is violently disrupted in a split second. Pop! The entire solid surface shatters into a million tiny, harmless glass cubes almost instantly. Physics is incredibly beautiful. Raw force means absolutely nothing without the right structural physical application. My massive fist delivered 3,000 newtons and failed completely against the exact same window. This tiny pocket tool delivered maybe 50 newtons and utterly destroyed the highly resilient target. It's not about how hard you hit something. It's strictly about where the energy goes. Out here in the real world, physics doesn't care about your muscles or your anger. It only really cares about math. Pressure always equals force divided by the impact area. Reduce the area, multiply the damage. That's the only physical rule that actually matters here. Try to play the tough hero with your bare hands, you'll just end up bleeding. Work much smarter. Let the basic mechanics do all the heavy lifting for your body. I learned this painful lesson the extremely hard way, so you don't ever have to. Have you ever broken a bone hitting something too hard because you totally ignored physics? Tell me your absolute worst physical impact story down in the comments below. Class dismissed.